Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Polo 16 reg in silver. Stunning condition, as you can see. The interior is all lovely, not been used and abused. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are in lovely condition with the interior. Car's done 52,598 miles. It's got DAB, it's got satellite navigation, it's got the media pack, Bluetooth phone connectivity, air conditioning, AUX and USB. Really has been looked after. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.